Hello friends. We buy life insurance cover to protect ourselves and our family members in case of any unfortunate event. We are also aware that an individual needs to buy adequate term plan if his family members are dependent on him, her. Let's consider a scenario. Mr. Gupta is a businessman and borrows some capital to expand his business. He has taken a term insurance policy with his spouse as beneficiary, nominee. After his sudden demise, his creditors approached the court and asserted their right to get paid out of the proceeds of the term insurance policy. In this example, though Mr. Gupta has taken a term insurance policy, his family has not benefited from it. The claim proceeds, death benefits, are given to his creditors. In today's world, buying on credit has become a common thing. Whether employed or self-employed, most of us buy on credit, home loan, personal loan, consumer loan, etc. In this kind of scenario, how to make sure that only your dependents receive the insurance policy claim proceeds? Are you aware of the Married Women's Property Act 1874, MWP Act? MWP Act was created to protect the properties owned by women from relatives, creditors and even from their own husbands. The Act has been created to protect women's rights, even after marriage. MWP Act is applicable for all married women of all religions. Section 6 of the MWP Act covers life insurance plans. If you take an insurance policy under MWP Act, your life insurance policy is treated as a trust and you can be assured that the policy money will be given to your nominees only. The claim proceeds are free from creditors, court and tax attachments. In this video, let us discuss and analyze the benefits to family members when a life insurance policy is taken under the MWP Act. Life Insurance and MWP Act. Who can take an insurance policy under MWPA? Any married man can take a life insurance policy under MWP Act. This includes divorced persons and widowers. The policy can be taken only on one's own name. The life assured has to be the proposer himself. Any type of plan, money back, term plan, endowment etc., can be endorsed to be covered under MWP Act. Even a married woman can buy MWP policy on her name with her children as beneficiaries. The husband will not get anything from the policy. It will be considered as a separate asset as if she is unmarried. How to get an insurance policy covered under the MWP Act? Getting a policy assigned under MWP Act is easy and inexpensive. At the time of making the application, buying a policy, a separate MWPA form has to be filled by the proposer for it to be covered under MWP Act. You need to provide details of the beneficiaries, the share of the benefits that are to be accrued to them and the trustees. Providing the trustees' names is not mandatory. Do note that the existing life insurance policies cannot be assigned under MWP Act.